Question 2020 A levels, question number 23. Diagram below displays the aggregate expenditure function for a hypothetical economy. Real output level at the real output level of 600. Now, at the output level of 600, when the Y is 600, can you tell me how much is the expenditure? Read the graph. When the Y is 600, expenditure here. When the Y is 600, the expenditure is only 450. In other words, now remember, this is the 45-degree line now. So this has to be 600 now. Okay. So there is a what here? There is a inventory accumulation or inventory shortage. Shortage, in other words, reduction. Accumulation or a shortage. People are willing to spend only 450, but there is an output of 600. People are willing to spend expenditure 450, output of 600. Is there a shortage or is there more? There is more, right? There is a inventory what? There is a inventory accumulation. There is more. You have more than what is needed. Accumulation. So then what should happen? Sorry, inventory accumulation of how much here? What's the number? Come on, easy, you guys. 600 is there, 450 is there. How much of more do you have? You have an inventory accumulation of 150. So looks like a very scary question, but a very easy one. No? So answer, accumulation of unplanned stocks, accumulation of unplanned stocks of 150. Answer number 3. How many of you all got that correct? Yes. Got it right. Yeah. Now, then going to 24. In an economy with a positive output gap. What's a positive output gap? Positive output gap. Think of the business cycle. Positive output gap. When what output is more than what output? Business cycle. You have the potential, right? You have the actual. This is what you call a positive output gap, right? So when the actual output is more than the potential output, we say there is a positive output gap. So during a positive output gap case, can you all give me the features? What can you tell about inflation during this stage? Inflation is rising, right? Prices are supposed to rise, right? So inflation, there is inflation pressure. Okay, so there is inflation. What can you tell about unemployment during this stage? Unemployment is coming down, right? So, what can you tell about, let's say, the aggregate demand on all of that? What can you tell about the aggregate demand? Aggregate demand is right. So these are few points that we have noted down. We'll see which answer do you think is correct. There is an unutilized productive capacity. Your actual output is more than your potential also. Can you say there is unutilized productive capacity? No, you're using it more. So not unutilized. You can say overutilized if you want. Right. There is cyclical unemployment. Is there cyclical unemployment? No. If cyclical means according to the business cycle. Remember, in the business cycle, when you go to like a recession, then you have cyclical unemployment. When you're in this stage, you can say there is cyclical unemployment because the business cycle going through a recession. Now there is unemployment. That's what you call cyclical unemployment. So is there cyclical unemployment? No. Actual output is less than potential output. In a positive output gap, can you say that? No, right? Actual output is not below the potential. Wrong. there is a slowdown in the pace of economic activity. Right? This is an expansion or a boom, right? Actual output is more means you are in a boom, right? So is that a slowdown in economic activity? Oh no, that is where the economy is producing and all of that. No slowdown, wrong. Demand pull inflation pressure exists. So will there be inflation here? Yes, remember here, I told you, inflation will start to rise. So this is your answer. Demand pull inflation pressure exists. So aggregate demand here, aggregate demand is rising. So then prices will also start to come up. So 24. How many of you all got that right? That's also a good question. Got it right? Yes. Good. Then we'll go to the next 25. Okay, this is like a baby question. Now, this I will not ask you how many of you got it right because it will be a disgrace if you got it wrong. Savings function is S equals minus 200. Then how much? What is the consumption function? At least if you have not fallen asleep, can you give me an answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or at least type the answer. Which one? If savings is minus 200, consumption is plus 200. If this is 0.25, this is 0.75. Which one is our answer? Answer number 5. Right? Easy as 20. It's right. Okay. How many of you all got how many right? There were 3 questions. 3 out of 3. 23, 24, 25. Good.